Hello, wie geht's? Today the main star is the bird tonight. So I actually stuffed them with a little bit of rosemary, and there's also some garlic in there, and there's some onions in there as well.
What is this? Two birds, right? So
Two birds.
Like one bird.
Two birds, okay. And here's all my gemüse, all my vegetables. Just gonna throw them in there. It's a lot. Carrots, onions, everything. Oh my god. It's crazy. Okay, and then in the meantime, I'm gonna cut up a side dish. It's going to be some.
Well, maybe you want to tell.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, throw that out. Maybe you want to tell the people what you're cooking, anyways. Like, I mean, like, what's gonna be the main dish?
The main dish is the bird.
Okay.
The Geflügel.
Okay.
The Hähnchen.
Das Geflügel.
Das Geflügel. Oh, we're also going to be doing a little German course here as well. By the way, Prost.
Oh, it's,
Wine from a box.
oh really? Is it from the box?
Well, I wasn't supposed to say that, but
Oh.
sometimes you just got to.
Yeah, well.
So anyways, I just throw it in there like that, okay?
So what is it? Some kind of cabbage or what?
I'm sorry?
What is that?
This cabbage, okay? I'm going to put in some brown sugar in here. Okay? I already have butter in there, okay? And I'm also going to put in some vinegar. Okay? But, like I said, my main star here is the bird, okay? Butter, mwah. Stick it inside like that. Okay, so I'm not going to touch anything else. The birds are going to sit. Be a good bird. Be a good bird. I always get two birds because we never have enough meat. And then we eat for like a couple days, you know, people, we don't eat like crazy people, okay? We eat very well. Okay, so there are the birds. I put a little herb de Provence on top as well, okay? And then I'm going to, ein Moment, bitte. Wishing you all a very happy weekend. To top it off, I'm going to pour a little bit of oil on top of the bird. Okay? And I hope you all have a very nice weekend. Auf Wiedersehen.